Hi, I'm Pamela, a passionate graphic artist who loves creating design. I have experience in creating designs such as branding, logo creation, digital ads or print design, email marketing, social media design, and basic video editing. So I enjoy bringing ideas through colors, layouts, and visuals. I focus on making designs that not only eye-catching but also leaves satisfaction to my client. I believe that good design makes a difference, so and I'm always excited to create something that leaves a lasting impression. And I'm excited about the chance to bring my skills, passion, and creative energy to your team, creating meaningful and impactful designs together. So, if you're looking for a designer who's committed to quality, attention to detail, and a creative approach, I'd love to work together. So, let's make something great.